Starting today's vlog here in the garden. I have to check on it. The last time that we were here, Jake and I put bird netting on the 3 raised beds that we have because the robins and the birds will decimate our garden if we don't keep up with it. And again, it is just a spectacular day. So beautiful. The sky is blue. I mean, not a cloud in it. The view of the ocean is, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It really doesn't. But here is our 3 raised beds. They look so good. So good, you guys. Check them out. I love this netting that we put over it because it's not like a netting that is like ugly and gaudy. You can't even really tell that there is a netting, which I love. And our beds are looking great, and our herbs are looking so perky and so happy. They're a little dry, so I'm going to water them while I'm here. Here's my bed. All my herbs. So no signs of birds getting into them, which is good. Ha ha ha, birds. We outsmarted you. They're probably like listening. They're around me, they're waiting. So I'm gonna water these guys and then head back up to the property. Jake is working on a video right now. I would say the hardest part about building this yurt and this platform is filming it. It is so challenging. If you guys have ever filmed anything, it's hard. I mean, it's tough getting each thing and editing it, and like, so like the yurt, I'm sure would probably be up by now, but since we're filming it for you guys, which we love doing, it's just taking a little bit more time, which is good, which is okay. So I'm gonna water the garden and then walk back down to the cabin, and then Jake and I are heading up to put in the windows to the yurt. So real quick before I head back, all the watering is done and I'm a little hungry for a snack, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be eating before heading back to the property. So we have this beautiful kale right here, and it's actually about to go to seed. I'm going to take some of the kale leaves on it. So I just love kale. It's so good, and this is like the best kale I've ever eaten. It's so sweet. It's not bitter, it's sweet. And then I'm going to take, we got some dandelions down here, which are so beautiful, and there's so many different uses of dandelions. I mean, so many. I'm going to be doing a couple of recipes here on the vlog and also on my other Holistic Nicole channel of the different things that you can do with dandelion, because there is an abundance. But I'm just going to take the leaves, which are really good for you. They detox the liver. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add a little bit of mint to my little snack. So we have some of the chocolate mint right here, which, I mean, come on, who doesn't want chocolate mint? Oh, delicious. And just a regular, go over to my other bed, regular mint. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, so good. Oh, kill me now. So I'm just gonna take it. So I have all of it right here. I'm gonna bunch it up. And there you go, you got yourself a little snack. Oh my god. Holy wow. Holy wow. That is so good. And it's so fresh. That mint just hit me. Guys, this is like the freshest of the fresh. I picked it right here. So Oh, hey guys. So, garden watered, check. Snack, check. Breakfast stuff done, check. Now we're up here, Blackfish Hollow, and now it's window time. Yes. I love the windows, and the window frames are seriously like my fave. I can't wait to like use them for shelving and stuff. I'm already thinking of what I'm gonna put in them. I know I'm jumping the gun, but I'm just so excited. So come on, let's go. Hurry up. So we have 4 windows going in today. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I mean, aren't these beautiful, you guys?
You have a fudge factor there.
A fudge factor. Yeah, I like how you put that. Exactly.
Yeah, there. If you placed that window 20 inches from the door, you would have 31 inches between the vertical window and that glass window. So it'd be closer to the French door than it would be to the vertical window.
But this thing today is going to sit like this. Pretty much. It's going to be like... Oh my God. Pretty much that's going to go right there. Somehow the lattice wall is going to go onto this frame, and this yurt's in the middle of nature, and I really want to let nature in through the windows and light, and I'm so glad we're going to have this thing lit up.
Oh yeah, I'm so happy that we chose to get 4 windows, plus 2 of the fabric windows. I want to let in, both of us want to let in as much light as possible.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
It's going to be the brightest, most well-lit yurt there ever was. So 20 inches of space between this part of the frame and the door frame.
Tape measure, it's on your head. Stopped for a little snacky snack. We just have an avocado with a rice cake. Oh, good. We got all the wood window frames in. Now we just have to drill the lattice, or cut the lattice out and then put the windows in. Bada boom. Oh. First one down.
You have a
Hello
window.
world. It is I.
Okay, this is the top cover. We're gonna put this through the dome, through the hole,
Yep.
and then let it just fall down.
And just
And
hopefully it's that easy.
we'll find out. Let's find out together.
Yay.
The instructions say locate the fabric liner facing. It's a small bundle of ivory colored fabric. Note that the liner facing is not sewn to the insulation as with the side cover insulation, and that is all one continuous cone-shaped piece that is folded. So coming up with the sidewall, it's going to be insulation and fabric in one. It sounds like that. Okay, so I gotta go way the heck up there and drape this thing over, and you're gonna have the smaller ladder and go around the edges and make sure it's even.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this.
It is dark.
Do we still have light?
Not very much. I am pooped. We did a lot today. Look, we have a roof, guys.
Yeah.
And we have windows. Well, the frames for the windows.
We got the fabric liner that we will see on the inside, and we
Yes.
got the insulation roofing
Yeah.
that'll be in between, and then tomorrow morning we'll put up the very heavy
Very
top
heavy.
cover that will be the waterproof top cover that faces
And then we'll
the
put
heavens
the
above.
outside cover on and then the windows. Yay.
Then we can live in here.
Yay. It'll be cold. We won't have a floor or heater, or electricity or running water, but yeah, we can live in here.
Then project 2 is, what do we do for electricity? Solar,
Yeah.
hydro.
Yeah, we'll get there.
What do we do for running water?
Anyway,
and
it's too late for
clearing
that.
space for the garden, and
Stop it.
wait, one more thing. And we start clearing space for our garden and fruit tree orchard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm not going to think about that. I'm going to go to bed.
Okay.
We have to pack up and go walk down the hill, so yeah. Good night, you guys. Don't miss the next episode on Living Off Grid